Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos bread. Preheat a skillet to medium heat and divide dough into equal pieces, then roll flat to desired thickness. Cook each piece 45 to 60 seconds per side until light golden spots form and bubbles appear. Keep cooked bread covered to stay soft while you finish the batch. Use immediately or store in a sealed container for later use. Warm your skillet and prep your station with a towel for stacking cooked bread. Roll each dough ball evenly and aim for consistent thickness to ensure even cooking and pliability. Flip when bubbles rise and the underside has golden brown spots, then cook the second side briefly. Avoid overcooking to keep bread flexible for folding tacos. Store wrapped to keep steam trapped and maintain softness for assembly and serving. Choose fillings that complement warm bread and keep textures contrasting, like crisp cabbage with tender meats and a tangy salsa. Spoon moderate amounts of filling to avoid overstuffing and stretching the bread too thin. Add fresh herbs or a squeeze of citrus to brighten flavors. Serve tacos bread while still warm for the best mouthfeel and foldability, and encourage guests to customize toppings at the table for a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.